evening time is a river is very quiet and salmon some jumping and some relax because this river in trout, salmon and different fish have and backside is this corner and have a castle. So here Corrib River in the Galway city river is a big river, and that moment is very quiet and nice because evening start that moment in the 9:30, but still little bit shine and still is a very nice. So I show, and some salmon is a jumping and turning. I just saw after just I little bit make in the video because evening one shoot in the much better. So okay friends, fisherman is very like this river, me too, and I just here just make the video. So is a river and castle, and evening time is a very lovely. So after and morning 9 so many video, but at this moment I am bridging standing and making in the video. So in the small castle, Galway castle, and Corrib River, big river in the Ireland, that one, and Galway have a few rivers, some is small, that one Corrib River is big one, salmon, trout, sometimes pike and different kind of fishes here. So here just me to opposite other side is a very expensive lessons in the fishing one, 125 years one, but just you go my backside in the just only 50 something. So very different rates, but fish is same, but front in plenty of nearly 2,000-3,000 fish have, but just backside little bit quiet but have, and time waste and get beautiful wild fish, wild salmon. So friends, and because my language in before I shoot have a video, after that some friends send have I know understand is the Urdu, but Urdu my real language, and English and different some languages just some learning in the outside. And Galway I just love, is a very long time too. I live in the 30 years, it's gone. I 30 years live, and so many fishes and river and castle and shoot have. So okay friends, bye.